So we got March Elite Boombox coming down to the end of March here. We pulled a ticket out of the platinum one. See if we can get lucky and pull another ticket. Two chances at some 5-star boxes. That would be pretty cool. And does not look like it. Here's our sheet. And then this thing is packed full of fun. So no ticket, no we call it packing peanuts. No packing peanuts in this one. They packed it well. Alright, so we got 2020 Bowman Sterling 1 auto 5 base cards in this mini box. Next up we got 2022 Tribute, which is this. We got 2022 Tribute Hobby, which there'll be a hit in there. So we'll save those for the end. Then we got 2016, which I believe is this one, Bowman's Best. Oh man. 1 in 3 odds. 2016, throwing it back. 2022 Cosmic Chrome. And then Topps Chrome Update Jumbo. Here it is. Jumbo Pack from Topps Chrome Update, which is 1 in 4 odds. And then the 2 extra packs are a Hobby Pack and a Jumbo Pack of Series 1. And then there's our mag that we hopefully will be able to use. So we'll do them in this order. Good luck. Start out with the Series 1 Hobby. Maybe we can snipe a hit out of here. Josh Naylor, we got Marco Luciano rookie, and Carmen Molzinski, I don't know. Julio, greatest hits. Andrew Vaughn and Alec Baum. Nothing crazy there. We're gonna pack number 2 Jumbo Pack. See if we can get a hit out of here. I think we have the hits towards the front in Jumbos. Senga, triple player card. So we've got a gold coming up. And it's a gold rookie of Davis Schneider for the Blue Jays. Blue Jays are Juan. There you go. So it's a gold, number 82 of 2024. So far, lowest numbered card. Ken Griffey Jr. And we got another backwards card here. Probably a rainbow foil, yep, of Mike Yastrzemski for the Giants. Christopher Morel, greatest hits. Sonny Gray, 89 Bowman. And we got a bunch of base cards here. See if we can pull an Ellie. There's a Volpe, Ronnie Mauricio, Gavin Williams, rookie, Emerson Hancock, Dominique Canzone, Corbin Carroll, Victor Medeiros, and Pete Alonso. Alright. That'll do it for Series 1. 2024 Series 1. Piece. Rainbow foil. There's our Davis Schneider. Alright, here we go. 2023, getting into our featured packs now. Topps Chrome Update Jumbo Pack. Hit odds 1 in 4. These are stuck together. Logan O'Hoppe, Brandon Pfaff, Tommy Pham, Cole Ragans, Tanner Beebe, Flip it around here. We got a Kyle Farmer. Jose Hernandez. Ooh, looks like we got maybe an auto. Jose Hernandez. Eric Hosmer. Zach Neto. And Levi Stout for the Cincinnati Reds. Gabe. There you go. Rookie auto. Numbered to 499. 105 of 499 on the rookie auto. Pete Alonso, All-Star Game. Yordan Alvarez, Action Stars, and Yoshida, rookie debut, Chrome, refractor. There's our first auto. We'll take that. Also the lowest numbered card of the break so far on the auto. Oops. Alright, next up, Topps Chrome Cosmic. This is 2022. Just looking for Julio. See what we can find. Nolan Arenado. Rocket Arms. Garrett Cole. It's a cool insert. Yeah. Oh, an auto. Pete Alonso. These are probably pretty rare to get an auto. It's a die cut launched into orbit on card auto. Pete Alonso for the Mets. Abby, there you go. Good thing you didn't trade him for the Red Sox. Nice one. Look at that. Pete Alonso on card auto. These are no guarantees on autos in those boxes. Those Cosmic boxes. Actually, I already got it in the top loader. I'm not going to mess with taking it out now. I was going to put it in the one touch and finally use one of those for once, but I got it in there already. Pete Alonso on card auto, launched into orbit. Launched into orbit variation, apparently, according to the back of it. Not numbered, but pretty sweet. 2 autos already. Let's make it 3 in a row. Pretty sweet. In 2016. Throwing it back. David Ortiz. Big Poppy. Ben Zobrist. We might have something here. Hey, we do. It's a Tyler O'Neill. Look at that on card auto. There's a Devers and Matt Carpenter mirror image refractor. And Tyler O'Neill, just huge auto on card, and an Alex Reyes refractor. This is probably like a prospect card of his, I'm guessing. Tyler O'Neill. The Mariners. Who's got the Mariners? I think that was Charles, right? Not bad. 3 for 3, or 3 in a row, I should say, on autos. Take that. Not numbered. But Tyler O'Neill. I think he plays for what, Cardinals now, right? Anyone confirm that? I think it's Cardinals.
Red Sox.
Red Sox, Tyler O'Neill. There we go. There we go. Put that Devers up there. I think that's a prospect Devers. And Alex Reyes. Here we go. Alright, we're down to our last 2, but we already hit 3 autos. And these are 2 guaranteed autos, at least, or hits. I don't know if they're considered autos, maybe. I don't know. Never really opened these yet, so first time. Here we go. 2022. Looking for Julio. Suki got spacers in here. Okay, or like white papers. First card, JD Martinez. I'm actually gonna put these right on here. JD Martinez is our first card for the Red Sox. It's a cool one. Thicker stock on these. Set these over here. And card number 2 is Rohan, rookie. Guessing it's not numbered. Thought it was numbered because of the side, but I don't see any numbering on it. Just a rookie for the Rays of Brujan. And we got one more card, I believe, back here. Oh, two more cards. Here's our auto, so let's go to the back. Ooh, another Red Sox, Manny Ramirez. Tribute. These are nice. Nice quality tribute is. That with the JD. And here we go. Another little white piece of paper. We got an auto. And it looks like for the Mets, Abby, Taylor Miguel. Auto numbered 80 of 150. Not a rookie. I think he was 2021. I think. But not bad. We got another auto. Added to the auto pool. We will take it. A blue auto. Taylor Miguel. Boom. Alright. We got one pack left. One box left. Whatever you want to call this. A little mini box. From 2020. Bowman Sterling. So it could be a lot of stuff in here. It could be anything. I don't know. They put a lot of prospects and rookies and all that in here. There's our empty box. So far, Elite. This is what you get with boom boxes, right? You could have a month with 5 autos, or you could have a month with 0 autos. So that's the risk we run with boom boxes, but it's the reward we run also. So here we go. We got Graterol, Brusdar Graterol. It's our first card, rookie for the Dodgers. We got a Zach Gallen rookie. Albert Alzolay. I think that's our auto. Key Brian Hayes, prospect in 2020. Sixto Sanchez. And here we go. For the Padres. Theron. Joey Cantillo. Cantillo. I don't know. Joey Cantillo. Auto. Pitcher, prospect for the Padres. So there we go. We got 5 autos in this break of Elite Boombox this month. We'll go through our other cards here. We got from Tribute, these were other cards. Manny Ramirez, JD Martinez, Brujan rookie. We got an Alex Reyes prospect refractor from 2016 Bowman's Best. Mike Yastrzemski rainbow foil from Series 1. Matt Carpenter, Rafael Devers mirror image prospect. So we'll randomize this off since it's Cardinals and Red Sox. Then Yoshida rookie debut refractor. And then our autos here. We got one other numbered card. Davis Schneider out of 2024. We got a Taylor Miguel to 150. Joey Cantillo, not numbered. Auto. On-card auto. They're all on-card autos, which is pretty nice. Pete Alonso launched into orbit. Probably case hit, I'm guessing, because you're not guaranteed autos. Pretty cool in there. And then the Tyler O'Neill prospect auto. And the Levi Stout out of $4.99. So our lowest numbered card will be this Taylor Miguel to 150. And so Abby, we put into the drawing for the break credit. So there we go. Thanks for joining.